Whereas normally the only age group I'm comfortable at being in hand-to-hand combat is ages 12.
What's up, guys? It's Erika. I gotta shave my beard. This is getting to a point.
Yeah, me too. I got to.
Yeah.
Go bald.
So the original bit was made just to eat this, but then you made that, and I got scared.
Did you actually get scared?
My dad, he had this on the kitchen table, and I took it.
Oh, I thought they gave it to you.
No, he did.
Oh, okay, the way you
Oh.
made it sounds like you stole it.
Maybe I did. I think this intro's gone on for too long.
Yeah, we already did the intro.
Dude, I hate my hair after work because it makes me look like a poodle.
What?
Yeah, like poodle with fluffy ears. I like the side-by-side comparison. So you guys when we get to Ramirez's house.
Yes.
Alright guys, so we just... I had to sneeze.
Why does it sound like you're coming?
No, I had to sneeze, and then it went away.
Guys, that's me.
McDonald's. We're done eating. We're done eating. We're done eating. We're done. We're done. We're done
Holy
eating.
shit. Oh my god.
I'm trying to sneeze. It's not working. It's not working. Look. I need to let it out. It's wanting to come out. Stop. No. 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 I'm not talking about sex. I'm saying I need to sneeze. I wanted to come out. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. I need to sneeze. I just need to sneeze. My body won't sneeze because it's getting embarrassed. Hold on, wait. Let me sniff the air. Hopefully.
Fuck, man.
Oh, my chest.
Were you about to sneeze and start stroking your dick back there? He's like, I have to fucking sneeze.
I just want to sneeze. I just
Fuck, man.
A few inches later.
DC warehouse instead.
It looks like it's about to close.
What? Craft Spares is full. What are you talking about?
It's very full. You're gonna be there.
Oh my god. Look at them. They're hand holding. That is not hand holding.
Yep, hand holding.
They're dapping themselves.
What?
They're dapping themselves. They're dapping. Guys, we're going to the new.
To the moon.
To the new. All right. We did record here once, but it was more of the short video.
Yeah, it was the one where you did the kick.
I hear the go-kart stuff, like, even now.
Yeah, but there's not. We can't record the go-kart.
How are we gonna record?
The phone falls at the crotch, bro.
That's true. All right, guys. To the arcade. No, do it one more time. I dare you. Oh, no!
Actually.
No. Okay, hold on, guys. We decided to do this.
There's a whole one start here. Why
We are going to do
Did they give you the paper? Oh no, they don't give you.
Wait, we start right here.
Yeah, we start right here.
All right, can we do mental math then?
Mental
Yeah.
math.
Yeah.
Just keep track of your.
Oh yeah. What else are we gonna do?
Yeah.
All right.
Haha,
I need to clip the side.
Yeah. Or if you want to bother like adding up all our points while editing.
No. I'm gonna touch you.
that was not bad.
All right, my turn.
Sweet, sweet. Whoa, all this stuff on camera is kind of cool.
All right, so the trick, right?
Yeah.
The trick is to hit it that way, hit it there, and then like actually make it inside.
Look at all
Unlike
this stuff,
you.
guys.
I know, I did maybe.
Not inside. Oh. Look at that little boy. Oh.
Wow, you did a great job.
Hey, I'm in a better position than you.
You know you're not.
Yes, I am.
Right there.
No.
Come on, Eric. It's your turn.
It's my turn. All right, hold the camera.
Okay.
All right,
No,
guys.
good old.
What the heck am I supposed to even do?
That's Ricardo. What are you talking about?
Ricardo.
That's actually pretty good. I mean, like from
That's
there,
pretty good. Solid.
Pretty much a push.
All right, that's good. Nanny.
Ooh. I need somewhere better to place this. I feel like you have a better collar to place it on. Yeah, I'll just get close to
All this stuff on camera is like freaky.
Yeah.
Did you drink it in?
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
I got 2.
Oh.
There you go.
I don't need that much power.
No.
What? Oh. Ow.
Keep touching him on the wiener.
But you can't see anything. You can't.
See his silhouette. Oh, you should have kept recording. I touched him in the boat.
I can see that.
Yeah. You gotta hold the camera in its most prized possession. Yeah, it's orange.
No, yours is green. You guys are always close to each other. What?
Nice. All right, 2, 3, 3.
Oh,
That's if I make it.
no, I'm fine.
Your shirt is glowing.
All right,
Your O'Reilly thing is glowing.
2, 3, 3.
You're not glowing,
I'm not glowing, yeah.
except for my cum on your face.
This is I'm not special. Just the all this.
Lying. Doing the line. Doing the line.
Wow.
Fuck. It was pretty bad. I hit it way too hard.
This is
Don't hit it too hard.
Who's the one Japanese flavor
We're not bringing this up. No.
Actually, Korea's like emblem has a tiger on it.
Ooh, that was cool.
You're in the same place I am. Yeah. Oh shit.
I may have misjudged that.
Is that Harambe?
Whoa. That's great.
Oh my god.
Stop it.
Ooh, that was close. Everyone wants to hold it.
I can't even see it.
You missed again.
I missed. I'm not joking. I missed.
I can tell.
Here you go.
Yeah, what's going on? You're usually very good at this.
I'm not paying attention.
Yeah, 3. Yeah. We both get 3.
Yeah.
This is your third, Eric. That was so close.
Dude, I'm clutch. I'm clutch.
What's happening with you?
I don't know. It's 4.
Okay.
Fuck.
Wow.
I saw the vision, but I didn't do anything about it.
All good.
I see the vision.
Look, he's sleeping on the
I
job.
see the llama eating a bunch of.
Oh, that's better than mine.
Yeah, but I want to take it hard.
All right. Make sure you get the shot.
Right here.
Got there.
You're blocking me.
You gotta go somewhere else.
Right here. You made it.
Nice. Nice.
Hit the bloke. Oh shit.
Yeah, not bad.
Nah, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I don't need it.
Yeah.
That was your turn.
Mr. Edgers.
Were you stroking?
He was.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a good angle right there.
Why in the fuck does that
Good
look like
angle.
that? The white guy behind you.
Oh my god, those kids are getting tortured back there.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
I got 2, 3, 3.
game's the same as you.
I got
Oh yeah.
We're tied.
I got 3, 4, 3, so I'm one below.
9/11. I mean, I think making it around the car is also.
That looks, guys.
Go under the car.
Are we in Madagascar 3?
What?
Escape to the circus?
That's not. Wow.
Afro circus. Afro.
You can't go in there.
I really want to like scream as loud as I can. Nobody's gonna hear it out there.
Ew, it did go through, but you hit it.
Abe Lincoln. Hiya!
You made it through.
Yeah, he did make it through.
Ooh!
Like, yeah, I had to.
I didn't even make it. I hit it right here. Wait, how does that work? Do I have to hit it from there? Do I have to hit it from there?
No, obviously not. How are you gonna hit it?
Yeah, dude. How you
Like
gonna?
that?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Look at those people in the car. That's me right there on the right. That's.
Yeah, we go.
Oh!
Good shot.
You see that? Oh,
That was actually so cool.
see that?
Oh, here you go.
That didn't work out for me.
Yeah, guys.
So,
Look at those 2 people in the car. That's me right there.
Get on the car. Get on the car.
We're escaping ice.
What about me?
you got
Well, there's no 3 people. You're the one who got caught. Ow! Ow! Assault!
Get out of the course.
Get out of the course, Eric.
I know. Ooh! Oh!
You know what's funny? Even though I restarted, we might get the same score still.
I think I'm at, what? This is my third?
Yeah, and it's also my turn.
Wait! I haven't even done my.
Oh, yeah, you haven't.
I haven't even done my second one. Where
Yeah,
did
this,
it go?
this is your second.
Yeah.
This is to catch up to us.
There you go.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, this was. I got 2. For this hole.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
All right.
Cool.
All right. Yep.
This is my third.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so I'm now 1 down from you guys. That's the score. Yeah.
Fuck you, this.
I really wanted him to.
All right. The scoreboard. I'm in second. I'm still in 3rd place. You guys are in tied.
How are we still tied?
The 5th course resides with a purple boot, a cannonball we're going to shoot at Edgar with. And then
Inside the cannon?
Like, that one is shit.
Oh.
Here, get off of the course.
Whoa! Oh, you got denied. Microphone probably didn't pick that up.
Shut up, Eric.
All right, smack it right down in the middle. Oh, and he gets blocked.
It's actually not bad.
You know, it'd be kind of funny if I went directly like to. The
I don't think you can do that.
I know. Ooh,
He's gonna compliment your edge.
I know, but I'm gonna do it better than you. Watch. Oh, he's
He's
poking
gonna
me.
Bonnie Blue you.
He's poking me in the butt.
Bonnie Blue.
I just can't wait till the day you do it.
Bonnie blew this.
Wow.
That was cool, Eric.
You guys distracted
Tell me how
me.
you did that.
You guys distracted me.
Tell me.
You guys distracted me.
Okay, that's 2.
What?
Crept in my.
Oh, wait, my turn. Here,
Yeah.
get the ball.
Okay.
Wait. 2, 3. I've gotten 3 the whole time, actually.
Okay.
Me
Well,
too.
yeah. Remember, I'm just one. I'm 1 down from you guys. Ow! You guys are poking me.
No, we're not.
Yeah, they are. See what?
It's a jab.
Fake news.
Fake nudes.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you fake nudes. It's not gonna be me. AI nudes. Yes. We can get that at Patreon right now.
No, I actually missed.
Dang, he
There's
sucks.
something right there?
Yeah,
I wasn't
there
even
goes
paying
the-
attention to that. Someone take
Oh.
the phone because I'm about to make my shot.
I'm gonna shot on you.
I was just exclaiming how that's very insightful.
Damn it! Okay, now what is that? Trace? Trans?
Whoa. Come on,
I didn't go in like that.
Mine missed.
right.
Crazy.
I got
Haha.
Wait, so, okay, so.
Oh fuck.
Sorry.
Okay, there you go.
Oi, Joey. Sorry. Yeah, I could have gone 2. But you guys, this is 4, right?
No, it's 3.
This is 3.
What?
Wait, no, this is 4 for me.
Oh yeah, okay. I already got L3. Okay, we're all tied after this. If Edgar can make this shot,
I'll shoot him.
If Edgar can make the shot, everyone will be
Tied. What the fuck? There you go.
yeah, you can do that trick. Do that little bouncy trick.
I'm still gonna miss this shit.
Watch.
Oh, you hit the cameraman.
And everyone's tied.
This goes. Oh, he's sending it. Sending it to absolutely nowhere. The stupid in China there.
Oh shoot! Wait, no.
Yeah, I was wondering why he's shooting it there. Nope, that's a shot. That's one.
No,
I'm taking a different angle at this.
Nope, that's one.
You can go into a hole in many different ways. I'm choosing my own. Watch this,
That
guys.
dude sounds different. Wow.
that was so close.
Penis shot.
No. Is my flight on? That didn't go out according to plan. So, all right, Romero's gonna get his way around the Chinese wall, and he doesn't.
What the fuck?
Edgar, well, you guys are trying to get blocking my shot, Edgar.
We're all blocking.
You're all blocking your shot. I'm right there.
But I have my own way.
He wasn't playing.
What the fuck?
Going. Oh.
Perfect.
Okay.
He might be winning after
Oh my
this.
God. Okay, just hit your number 5. Hit your number 5. Yeah, you're not coming ever. For 5! Damn.
No, you're not.
Damn. Ooh, wait. I feel like I'm in. Oh shit.
When someone walks by.
Oh wait, actually.
That's 6,
Well,
7.
good.
6,
Okay,
7?
So I'm in the lead.
Yeah, what were you at? 6 or
No.
7?
Say whatever you was.
You're 3
No.
behind Romero, and he's 2 behind me.
No, like starting right there. We were both the same. We were all tied together.
Yeah, we were. That was
now-
the time portion. What? Oh wait, I haven't even explained the whole.
What the fuck?
The elephant did not choose you.
You do?
Yeah, so you hit to the left a lot, right? So it went down the hole.
Oh.
Yeah, I can feel that.
The elephant must choose you in order to pass through him.
Thank you. No,
And then
don't worry
you will
me.
proceed to the ball.
Haha.
The ball of knowledge does not just choose anybody for this course.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Bonnie Blue, check this out. Did you catch that?
Yes, I did.
I don't know.
Fuck. Yeah. You're actually gonna make. Oh shit! Wait! Fuck!
Oh my God!
There is no.
Dude!
That is 2.
That's 2.
It's not a hole in one.
Holy moly! Okay.
What a loser.
I know.
Loser. Guess who's walking home today?
Oh! That was awesome.
Let's look and go. Yeah. Wow.
You know who else asks for stuff?
Your mom.
Yeah, my mom. You let me focus. You let me focus. I'm trying to hit the ball at a. Dang, that sucks so bad.
Shit. Actually, not bad.
Pushing.
I feel like he's gonna break it.
He's right in the middle.
Sure?
No.
Harry.
Oh, man. It's your turn.
You gotta show it to me in the ball ward like I'm like a teacher. So after we blew up, wait, ready?
Yeah.
After we blew up the
after we blew up those darn Japanese, we got kaboom. This is a live visualization of what happened during that time. Now we cut back and we won the war. Hooray!
Oh, you got a breath.
This is what the guy who dropped it said. Ground control. The hell is that?
Right there.
I know. Yeah, just put it. Yeah, please. Hold on. I gotta do something real quick. Watch this. That sucks.
What in the fuck?
Rights and Spare slideshow.
An accent.
Wow.
Ah, shoot.
Wow.
Easiest hole. How are you?
I know. Okay, now Romero's 2 behind me. Okay.
I really thought he was gonna miss it.
Oh my god. What the heck? Wait, Jenny.
Yep.
Wait, what happened to it?
It's gone.
It like stuck? Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Beyblade.
Rip. Ooh.
Damn.
Oh, another chance. All right.
One-handed. Oh, I missed.
Speaking of life.
Wow, good job.
Oh. We did it. Oh. No. We became heroes. What?
That's how you become heroes, guys.
Oh no! My king of the hill!
You're gonna break the course, Eric. Just let it happen. Let
No,
it happen.
never. I'll never give my. I'll never give away my virginity to you guys.
What?
He fell over. He tried. 1. Shoot. All right. Say goodbye to the butt. This is what they've literally been doing all night.
We have not.
No, we have
You
not.
think this would get like age restricted if I showed this? Probably.
Alright, what now?
I want some arcades. What? Sorry.